Hello and welcome to Module 1. I hope you're as excited as me to get started. So in this welcome video, I just wanted to give you a bit of an overview of what to expect. So Module 1, this is your first module in your first week. Now, this has probably got the most content that you will see in any of the modules that follow. And it's all around the afternoon tea and tea time recipes, my favorites and all the ones that we served in the tea room. So it's probably too much for you to look at all in one go, and I don't expect you to. The first thing is to open the first worksheet, which is the afternoon tea challenge. That will outline what I actually want you to do with all this wonderful content and this beautiful material. And then I want you to have a look through the recipe book and the stories behind the recipes that I've written out for you. And I want you to pick out a couple of recipes that are going to go onto your first afternoon tea. And we're going to basically build that out with you. So go through the demonstration videos. Now, these videos were recorded as I was actually teaching virtually back in 2020. So you will see other people kind of in those videos. We've done it through Zoom. If there's bits that you want to fast forward, that's the beauty of having this recorded. But it's also done real time, and that means that the people that were on the Zoom call at the time were actually baking along with me, and I suggest you do the same. So it's kind of paced as though you were baking or making things along with me. So pick out the 2 or 3 things that you want to put on your afternoon tea menu. I'm suggesting a couple of sandwiches, a scone, and a couple or 3 pastries or cakes for the top tier, and then find the relevant video which will then show you a demonstration of how to actually make that item. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go to the Tea Room Secrets Facebook page, the group page, and post a picture of your afternoon tea when you've created it all and put it together. Now, that's ideally on a 3-tier cake stand, but it doesn't have to be. It could just be on 3 separate plates, but I love seeing those pictures. And obviously, if you have any questions, you can reach out and ask those questions on the Tea Room Secrets page. So a lot for you to do, a lot for you to absorb. Don't expect to do all of it in a week. Just get that afternoon tea challenge completed, and you can always come back to these recipes at a later date as you start developing your tea room or your tea time business in more detail. So this is here for you. It will stay here for you as long as you need it for. So start off with the afternoon tea challenge. Learn some lovely things through the video content. Read up the recipe book. That will give you all the ingredients, and it will also give you the history. And then fill in your worksheet. You can take a photograph of your worksheet too, and you can upload that with a photograph of your afternoon tea in the Tea Room Secrets Facebook page. I am so excited for you that you're making a start. And I'll see you in the next video.